Hello and welcome to Prologue second Weaver video. This will demonstrate a level 3 Weaver in action, and as the previous video I will start off from the player's perspective. Okay, some quick backstory before we begin. A warlock needs his younger brother killed and has asked our main character to build a ritual circle by using torches, and then murder the younger brother inside the circle. By murdering the brother, the family's true power will reveal itself and be restored to the warlock. Okay, so here is our new main character standing within a circle of candles. This is the pattern the warlock wants us to place the torches. He's giving us directions to where the murder needs to happen and where his drunk brother currently is located. So first stop is Gajestan, where this brother is supposed to be. Our orc character reaches the bar and finds the brother. He fools him by asking help for a simple task and promises a good amount of coins for his assistance. They travel a bit and reach the destination where the ritual needs to happen. Our character proceeds with putting down torches on the ground in the same pattern that was shown to him. This leads us to an important concept in Prologue called portable objects. Basically, it allows players to get a hold of in-game objects that are stored in your inventory as an item. These objects can be placed or picked up at any time. In this specific case, the warlock has given our character these torches beforehand, and now our character can use them to complete the task. So our character is just about to complete the circle. He goes, "Your brother sends his regards," and blam, he's getting killed and the death stun appears. This is a special stun on Prologue that requires you to execute each character with a command to avoid unnecessary death. It's important due to our perma-death system, which you can read more about on our website. Here the interesting part happens. A sand tornado has appeared and is sucking out all the life from the brother's corpse. And there's some cool text emoting that is happening, or whatever the Weaver chooses to do. And our character, our orc character, is then empowered, and this concludes the point of view from the player's perspective. Now let's twist the perspective and see how all of this was possible from a level 3 Weaver point of view. The Weaver made up the story beforehand and is looking for a place to start the journey. This seems like the perfect spot, so he types .lookup object ritual candle. This shows us the ritual candle in the list, and we spawn it. We take a look at it and decide it will work just fine. A level 3 Weaver have an awesome 30 game objects to spawn, so we begin by spawning the ritual circle with the candles which you saw in the start. If one of the candles gets spawned oddly or out of position, then you can simply stand close to the object, type .gob target, which will target the closest object to you, and then you can press delete to remove it. Then we can spawn a new one, a bit better positioned. Alright, circle is done. So in a quick time lapse, I'll show you how the tent was built, which is just using the same command to spawn objects and design however you wish. There we go. We've now put all the elements into place and started the journey with the orc player. You'll remember that the orc was tasked to find the brother in a bar. What happened here is very simple. We waited for the orc to get away and then simply relog to the brother character, which was created beforehand. So both characters belong to the Weaver. We log in and this brother character has already been put in the bar. The true skill of a Weaver is to always be several steps ahead in the story, so preparation and planning is the key. When the orc appears, we follow him to the ritual spot, playing all naive, and as they all know, this character ends up being killed. Now behind this pillar where my cursor is, we have hidden the last step of this story. We're going to log out and log in on our last and final character that will complete this puzzle. The character spawns just behind one of the pillars and is ready to make the final move. But before that happens, I'll explain a new power for level 3 Weavers. Okay, so here we are with the third and final character a few hours before the story went down. We are doing some morph research, so what you do is type .mod morph. So now we enter a random number, say 263, enter, blamio, my character changed model to a strange wizardy looking human, very nifty. Let's try another one, .mod morph 381. Ah! Pigs! I fucking love pigs. This shit right here. Everybody should be pigs every now and then, because you can run You can do stuff. It can be bacon. Okay, back to the story. We're logging in on the last character again and spawning behind that pillar. There's our orc that have just killed the brother, and for being effective, I've already saved a macro that goes .modmorph2211. And when pushing it, boom, I turn into a tornado model, snowflake style. Now I sneak behind our character and voila, story is concluded. If the last bit was slightly confusing, then let me clarify that the .modmorph command is used to change your model into any model in the game, including a tornado. This concluded the second Weaver video and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.